Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about Phelo and Moshe. They got married last year, but this year Moshe Ndigi is no longer wearing his ring. Phelo has not posted anything on his social media account since December 2021, which raised eyebrows. Moshe fan asked him why he's not wearing his ring anymore. He said that was a tattoo. Moshe and Phelo inked tattoo ring after they got married, but they also had physical wedding ring. On 2021, which is the last year, Phelo was setting to drop his love song Nanini. That song was about love and loving somebody, even though bad times, no matter the circumstances. That was the main message of the song, and it was released on Valentine's Day. We are approaching Valentine's Day now. So, this Valentine's Day, they will remember them. I thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and press notification button to be the first to see whenever I upload it.